Hello from Slovenia again. I have those fluorescent paints left. I will use fluorescent green, fluorescent blue, fluorescent violet and fluorescent magenta, and I did add a drop of silicone oil into this, and I will do kind of a flip cup, and I will add some black on the bottom. And I will add some of this fluorescent magenta and fluorescent violet and fluorescent blue. Don't even know if I will have enough paint. And fluorescent green. And in Reflex white. Here in between, I think that this one was a little thinner. And let's go with magenta. And I will just scrape all the paint that I have here with those stir sticks that are really good for scraping. And violet. I'm basically just, you know, when you have paints that you want to use, you just try to do something without big expectations, or how can I say. And sometimes you turned out with some really nice painting. And the green. And Flora and Nera they have their own running down, up and down. And I have a little more of the violet and the magenta, so I will add a little black here again. And magenta. I just put them in those little cups because I mixed silicone in it, and there I don't have the silicone oil, but have enough in other colors. And the violet. Let's use this up. Okay. Flip and wait for a second for paint to flow down. Let's flip that, and probably lip too. Like that. Purple part. Okay, maybe I lip it too much. Let's tilt. And then I will torch and see if I want to do something else with it. Okay. I don't like that snake. Let's torch this. Definitely want to tilt this off, but don't want to lose this and this. So let's try. Okay. Get rid of that part. Maybe a little bit of this bottom too. I just have to go over the edge here because I didn't tilt this part enough before. Okay, back. Down. I want to stretch the cells a little more. Don't like that violet part there. Okay, I will just turn it that way that I will see the composition, because probably I will play a little bit here because I like that part on the top but don't like that one in the bottom. This large black cells are just not something that looks nice. So I will try to do some finger dips or some kind of flowers or something. Okay, so here is a close-up. I will try to show you some of those gorgeous multicolored cells there. That one is just so cute. And those finger dips for kind of flowers there. And I think that it turned out quite an interesting piece. I wish that I would, I don't know, maybe, but I will stretch my cells too much if I stretch this a little bit, you know, to have this flow here, because I think that this is blocking the whole composition. Maybe I will try if it will turn out. You will see in the thumbnail. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.